And like previously we talked about that how internships can lead to job offers also. So what things like students, they go for internship, they are not experienced, they don't know how to be like be in an organization. So what are the things you recommend that they should keep in mind while they are doing their internship?
So while doing their internship, they have to be very, very. They should ask their questions on what whether my goals are aligned to this particular internship. Okay, so accordingly, they'll have to work closely with the supervisor who has been aligned to that particular internship, and
Mhm.
you have a setting in the initial stage itself on what you are expecting with your supervisor. You have to tell that okay, I'm expecting a job after the internship, so that they'll also know that you are interested. Okay, otherwise it's just an internship for 2 months, 3 months, and they don't even know that you are looking for a job. Okay,
Yeah.
so this expectation setting should be talked before even coming to an interview or joining an internship, so that they are aware and start monitoring your performance week on week, so that they give you feedback on what is required for the full-time job. Okay.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you
Yeah.
don't even know what is the performance outcome for a full-time job, and you lag all the aspects during the process. That you have to be mindful.
Yeah.
So first thing, talk to your supervisor and do a expectation setting on this is what I am expecting, so that they know the progress. And talk to the person who are a full-time job in the same role, so that you understand what he is doing on a daily basis. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
because when we are a student, we may not know what is the kind of a struggle they are facing, or what kind of task they have to do on a daily basis, what outcome they have to bring every month, that we may not know. Okay, we will be doing only 30% of their job. Okay, but
Yeah.
essentially the full-time job we have to understand, so that we build that gap during the entire internship process. Okay, so
Yeah.
talking to a full-time employee during the process is highly recommended. And what are the tools or technology which is required for that job, and what is the eligibility to join a full-time job, all that is highly essential to prepare, so that you scale up and join the entire program. And
Yeah.
just because you joined as an internship, they should not touch your CTC part, which should be a gap with a full-time employee and an intern. Okay, you should know
Yeah.
what is the salary offered to a full-time job employee for a fresher, and accordingly you will have to scale up. Okay, otherwise they will capitalize that, saying, okay, we are just only offering favoring you, and then you join in this low salary. All that kind of a negotiation can happen.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the things you have to be very mindful, so that for the contribution which you are making, you will have to capitalize the whole stuff in terms of paid or unpaid benefits. That's what is highly recommended. If you are looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with topmat.io/gskumar.